Today we are going to explore a super fun and creative program called Tux Paint. Tux Paint is a fantastic free drawing program designed for young children, and it was developed by Bill Kendrick. One of the best things about Tux Paint is its user-friendly interface. Now, this user-friendly interface means the program is really very easy and simple to use. All the tools and buttons are big, colorful, and right where you would expect them to be. You don't need to be a computer expert to start creating amazing pictures. You can simply use these tools and create wonderful pictures. Then, apart from this, you have a friendly penguin, the mascot of Tux Paint, and it is there to guide you. And there are helpful sound effects, fun features that make your drawing feel like a game. Now, this is your title screen, that is the screen which appears as soon as you open your Tux Paint for the first time. And you can see at the bottom when you must have switched on your computer and opened Tux Paint, then you must have seen that the loading process starts here. Now, when your loading process is complete, then you have your first screen of computer, and in that we are going to learn about the components of the Tux Paint main screen. This is your Tux Paint main screen. Now, our Tux Paint main screen, it is divided into five parts, right? This is our toolbar. It contains various tools with the help of which you will be making your drawing. The next part is your color palette. You can see different colors on this palette. You can choose any color and apply it to your drawing. Then you have your selector on the right side. Now, the purpose of this selector is that if you have chosen any tool from here, supposing paint tool, then it will shows the options of different brushes here, and then you can choose brush of varied thickness from this selector option. Then you have your drawing canvas, which is the main area where you make your drawing. It is white, generally white by default, but you can change the color of your background. Last, you have your help area. You can see this mascot tux. Whatever tool you choose here, the help for that or the guide for that particular tool is available here at the bottom. You can see, for example, if you have chosen color paint brush tool, then you can pick, it gives you a hint that pick a color and a brush shape to draw with. Now, our tools, which we have learned just now, they can be classified into two parts. One is drawing tools, and the other one is control tools. In drawing tools category, we have paint, stamp, lines, shapes, text, label, fill, magic, and eraser. For control tools, we have undo, redo, new, open, save, print, and quit. Now we'll discuss in detail about each of these tools. Now, first tool which we are discussing is paint tool. You can see the icon here of the paint brush. The purpose of this paint tool is to draw or color. The next tool is your eraser tool. Now, eraser, just as you remove your mistakes in copy with the help of eraser, similarly this eraser tool is used to remove your mistakes or erase your drawing. Then third one is your lines tool. These lines tool is being used for drawing straight lines. Then next you have your shapes tool. In shapes you can draw two types of shapes. One is filled and one is unfilled. Filled is when you have to draw a shape with color filled inside it. And unfilled is, that means you only want the boundary of the shape to be drawn with the color, and inside you do not want to fill any color. You can draw shapes of various types like rectangle, circle, square, hexagon, etc. Then we have our stamp tool. Stamp tool lets you place ready-made pictures or pre-made images on your canvas. Like that, these are like stickers which are ready-made. Like if you are preparing some picture and you want a bird picture to be inserted on it, then you can use your stamp tool where you get the ready-made image of a bird. Next is your ABC text tool. Now, text tool, it lets you type words directly onto your drawing. Once you have placed your text on the drawing, you press your enter key to make it permanent there, and then the text cannot be changed or moved. Now, next you have label tool. Now, label tool function is somewhat similar to the text tool. It is also used for typing your text, but it allows you certain facility, like after you have entered your text, then it can be edited and move around after placing it, which we'll explain later how it is done. Then next you have your magic tool. Magic tool has variety of options. It gives you special effects and fun stuff, like you can have your grass option for drawing grass. You can have rainbow option to insert image of a rainbow. You have raindrops and many more, break effects, blur, etc. in the magic tool. Next you have your fill tool. Initially we had fill inside magic, but now we have it on the toolbox itself, and it is allowing you to color inside the shapes like a paint bucket. These were your drawing tools. Now we are discussing about our control buttons here, or the control tools. Now, first and foremost is undo. Undo means cancelling the last action. Supposing you have prepared a drawing and you are not satisfied with the color on it or anything, you can go back one step by clicking on undo. It works bit like eraser only. In eraser, you have to drag your brush on the screen to erase it, but here you can simply click on this button and cancel the previous action. Next you have your redo button. This redo button is used to repeat your last cancelled action, and you can see the icon, it is thumbs up button. And that means, supposing you have made a drawing, you had colored it, and by mistake you clicked on undo, or which you did not want to, so you want it back. So instead of drawing it again, we can simply click on redo to get it back. Then next you have your new option. New option, it allows you to create a new drawing. By default we have a white background, but you can choose other color backgrounds also from this option. And apart from colored background, you can also use a template image. Then we have next tool as save option. Now save, as the word suggests, it is used to save your drawing which you have made right now. You don't have to give any file name. Simply click on save button. As soon as you click on save button, your drawing is saved. Next you have your open button. You can see the icon here. Now this open tool, it lets you view and select a previously saved drawing to work on again. Like if you made a drawing yesterday and you want to open it, or a few hours later you want to open it, you can simply click on open button. As soon as you click on open button, all the drawings which are saved on your system, they will appear on the screen. You can select the drawing which you want to work on again. Then next you have your print button. This print button allows you to send your drawing to a printer to obtain a hard copy. That means when you want the output on paper, then you can click on this print button. Last we have our quit button. Quit means close or to exit Tux Paint. You will click on quit to exit your Tux Paint, and when you exit, it gives you the option that do you want to really quit. so that it confirms that are you sure or have you pressed it by mistake. If you are sure, then you are going to click on yes, I am done. If you're not, if you have clicked it by mistake and you want to continue with your Tux Paint software, you can click on no, and then you can go back to your Tux Paint drawing.